Hello, and a warm welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the exterior turn signal on a Golf 5, and let's get started. Now we turn the side mirror. And then we can carefully unhook it right from this spot. With a bit of finesse, gently push it out since it's secured with these clips. Here. We're disconnecting the cables right now. So, we can flip this whole thing over to make it much easier for us to access everything here. Yes, next we'll now unscrew the motor, and we need to remove these 3 bolts here, which we'll do by using a 10mm Torx tool. Take this whole thing off, then unplug the connector here. Just pull it off. So now we'll go ahead and unscrew these 2 screws located here, and then remove the 1 screw from the mirror cover. So now we can proceed to dot. Take the whole thing apart, just loosen this one here. And then afterward, we can push it back in this direction, and we can carefully remove the mirror cap upward. So next we push in these 2 clips here. And we can take off the cover, and then we can easily loosen the entire part here at the bottom, which is already loose, and then carefully remove the single pin from its current position. Just push it in, and we can remove the cover. Now we just need to unplug the connector. So, next we take the new turn signal. You can either order an original one or get it from the internet if you prefer the black ones. Plug the connector in, and you're good to go. Take the cap. And carefully clip this one in here. This one clip right here. Position it in such a way that it attaches properly, and then the woman will be able to have it securely fitted back into its original place once again. So, and can also tighten the 2 screws. Don't over-tighten it too much. You'll risk damaging the thread, and afterward we'll take off this cover piece. Clip this guide securely in place, ensuring that they align perfectly together here. and clip it firmly into place. Here, you need to make sure that from the blinker, these two pins here are inserted correctly, right here and here. Then firmly snap it into its designated position. If this doesn't work out, then you can loosen these two screws right here. And try to snap them securely into place. Since the measurements in the accessories might be slightly different, you've got to make sure that this clip fits in here correctly, because otherwise the mirror cover might end up coming loose on you. So now we take the motor. For the mirror adjustment, plug the connector in. So, dot. We can now reattach the whole thing here. So then we'll reconnect the two cables for the mirror heating, and that should wrap up the entire setup nicely and securely. And carefully clip the whole thing back into place. And then test to ensure that the motor is functioning correctly once again. And that's it, all done. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time. Ciao.